Today I'll teach you how to delete record from database using Dapper in ASP.NET. So the very first thing, I'm creating an HTML table, and this particular table will have field for inputting the ID of the record to be deleted and a button. Now let's move to the code behind. So we'll start by adding some namespaces. Then I'll be writing the onDelete event handler. Now here I am creating an SQL for deleting the record from database. The next thing I am doing is fetching the connection string from the web.config file, which I have already set in the connection string section of the web.config file. Once the connection string is fetched, the next thing I am doing is creating a SQL connection object. After that, inside the using block, I am passing the customer ID received in the text box to an integer value and setting it into a variable. Then I am calling the execute function of the Dapper library and passing the SQL query and the customer ID as parameter to it. The execute function of the Dapper returns the number of rows affected. So if the record is being deleted from the database, then it will return 1, otherwise it will return 0. In the very next line, I am checking the value of the rows affected variable. If it is greater than 0, then I am displaying a successful message, and if it is equal to 0, then I am displaying a failure message. For displaying the alert message box, I am making use of register status script function. Now again I am moving to the ASPX page. I'll be now assigning the onClick event handler to the button. So with this, our programming part is complete. Now we can run our project and see it in action. And you can see right now there are 4 records in the database table. So I'll be deleting the record number 4. As you can see, I have received a success message. The record with the customer ID 4 has been deleted. So with this, we come to an end. That's it.